Okay, guys. Well, it's been a while since I made a farm equipment update video, so I figured I'd go ahead and make one while I was here. Well, nothing's changed much. The lawnmowers and stuff. Little Johnny's running good now. Still haven't gotten the piston rings for Covey yet. I just cleaned the mass airflow sensor and throttle plate on my truck. And I need to get these into some old bottles or whatnot, jugs. This is the oil from my truck. I changed it. Hang on a second. Last Monday, a week from tomorrow, or a week ago tomorrow. And there's transmission fluid. I changed that a couple weeks back. This broke off when I was trying to get to the throttle cables or cable, and I don't have the right socket size for these bolts, so I was trying to push it up and I pushed it a little too far. No biggie, I can get a new one. I'm thinking about getting a Volant cold air intake, either Volant or K&N. I've heard Volant's really good. I was going to ask, what do you guys think? I'm seriously thinking about getting the Volant. Heard a lot of good things about it. Don't know if I showed you guys this in an older video, but I took the mud guards off. Got some new decals. I'm also thinking about getting a Flowmaster original 40 series muffler. The Gibson one is alright, but I've heard a lot of good things about the Flowmaster 40 series mufflers. And also, I don't know if you really tell, but the left front tire is a little out of alignment. I've tried to straighten it a little bit. It helped a little, but it's still, when I'm going between 50 and 60, it tends to kind of rattle a little bit. I also noticed a couple of the tires were a little low, so I put some more air in them. Maybe that'll help. Go ahead and see how she sounds. She might hesitate starting because I just cleaned the throttle plate. Or not. Right front tire seems to be in alignment. It was out of alignment at one point, but I think I got that readjusted. And here are the pistons. Been soaking them in old motor oil so they don't rust. There's the cylinder head. Alright, guys. Figured I'd go ahead and make a little farm equipment update video for you guys. I'll hopefully be making more videos soon. I've been real busy lately, that's why I haven't made any recently. But anyway, let me know what you guys think. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.